Before doing a repair on your pool equipment, make sure to watch this video. We're going to show you how to stop the water flow when your equipment is below the pool. Don't let this be you. If you got water in your pipe, like this right here, and you can't make a seal, what you need to do is get you one of these. You got to put it through our fitting that we're going to be using. And we're gonna put it on our bike pump. Gonna put it in our hole, and then we're gonna pump it up. Once you got a good fit, you can release your That didn't work. You gotta tighten it up. Okay. Try that again. I'm gonna pump it up a little bit more because you're gonna release a little bit of air when you take it off. And then we can dry out this area and put our fitting on. Nice. So now that we cleaned up our pipe, we got all the standing water out of there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna prime here, glue here, slide on our fitting just like so. Let's show you. Clean that off. We're going to take our glue. And then let that dry. So you can see in here, we got our bladder filled. We let this pipe dry. We went ahead and primed this up too, just in case. We're gonna take this. See, it's got a little edge on it, and it's just gonna unscrew our bladder. Sure, it'll drop it in there. So if we can't get it, piece, and we're just gonna hit this little, just like a bike tire. There you go. So the water level for the pool is right here. So we can go ahead and just continue without plugging it up again. And go ahead and put our test ball through this ball valve. This allows us to be able to glue it on and shut off the water flow. This allows us to turn off the water to empty the pump baskets, clean the filter, or do any future repairs. Put our bike pump on, have that ready. This equipment set is about 15 to 20 feet below the pool, so there's a lot of pressure behind these pipes. As soon as I cut it, you'll see the rush of water flowing out. If we're not able to seal this off and stop the flow of water, it could potentially drain enough water to pop the pool out of the ground here in Florida. If you think this may be your case, be very cautious. You can see that's a lot of water. We're gonna go ahead and cut right here so we can get to that pipe. And the water is free flowing from the main drain in the pool right now. We have our pump ready. We're gonna go ahead and stick our plug in and pump it up. You can see it really works great, even with quite a bit of pressure behind it. You always want to pump it up more so when you take this off, it's not gonna let enough air out to slide out of the hole. Gonna go ahead and dry off our PVC. It's already been pre-primed. Add our glue. To both sides. Just want to twist your pipe 90 degrees if possible. Well, this one we really want it to dry as long as possible. This is real time. We are using the fastest setting glue that we can buy. See, I couldn't untwist it here either. I'm gonna go ahead and stick my finger on that nipple of the tube. And here it comes. We're gonna go ahead and shut that pressure off. And now we can go throughout the rest of the repair without having to worry about it. Here's our trusty bike pump and our test ball. Link below. If this video brought you value, please leave a comment or share with a friend. We really appreciate it.